So finally we are back with the lecture number 3 of current electricity, in which I will be talking about the Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, superconductor, semiconductor, and many more, right? Sloping graphs, current and potential difference, slope graphs, and many more we will be discussing ahead. My dear most student, if you have not watched the lecture number 1, ampere, current, electric charge and current, lecture number 2, potential difference, do watch it out. The link has been given in the description box as well as I button. And the most important, again I want to say that in this particular lecture you will be getting lots of board questions, direct questions, important questions, sure short questions, and which it will be coming in the examination as it always come, right? And if you people will understand this lecture, definitely I guarantee 3 mark will be in your pocket. That means you will be appearing 40 marks questions, in which 3 नंबर का मार्क तो तुम्हारे पॉकेट के अंदर आज इस लेक्चर से. सो शुरू करते हैं ओम्स लॉ एंड रेजिस्टेंस. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग कॉन्सेंट फिजिक्स, इन द कॉन्सेंट फिजिक्स देयर इज हैविंग अ फर्स्ट, दैट इज रेजिस्टेंस. मगर मेरा पढ़ाई करने का तरीका कुछ अलग होता है, मैं पढ़ाने का तरीका अलग होता है. तो आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द ओम्स लॉ, देन एवरीथिंग आई विल बी रिलेटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग you people can understand, and it is gonna be phenomenal session, trust me. Starting with an Ohm's law. What do you mean by Ohm's law? Ohm's law means, मतलब Ohm's law का मतलब ये होता है जो करंट और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के अंदर इंटरलिंक होता है. दैट मीन्स without current potential difference is zero, without potential difference current is zero. As I said in my last video that if the potential difference is constant, current does not flow. If the potential difference is higher, current will flow, and the current always flows from higher potential to the lower potential, and charges always flow from lower potential to the higher potential. एक मार्क झोली के अंदर ये वाला तो गारंटी हर साल आता है. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट in case of Ohm's law, that Ohm's law ये बताता है, Ohm's law एक साइंटिस्ट का नाम है, फिजिस्ट जॉर्ज सिमोन ओम. ओके, एंड Ohm's law generally states that higher the voltage, higher the current. अगर मेरे पास 5 वोल्ट है तो करंट यहां पर 5 एम्पियर होगा. अगर मेरे पास 2 वोल्ट है तो करंट 2 वोल्ट होगा, राइट? अगर करंट ऊपर गया तो वोल्टेज ऊपर जाएगा, करंट कम हुआ तो वोल्टेज कम होगा. तो डेफिनेशन कैसे लिखते हैं? एज आई से इन एवरी क्लास दैट इफ यू कैन लर्न द डेफिनेशन, डेफिनेटली यू कैन क्रिएट द फॉर्मूला. इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मूला, यू कैन क्रिएट द डेफिनेशन. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद एन ओम्स लॉ. इफ द क्वेश्चन कम्स, क्वेश्चन जनरली से पूछा नहीं जाता व्हाट इज ओम्स लॉ, मगर हमें लिखना है. एंड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मेक द नोट्स, एज यू नो वेरी वेल, अपना बनाया हुआ नोट्स सबसे अच्छा होता है. All right, and try to make the notes by your own. Never depend on any other topper's note. अपना बनाया हुआ नोट सबसे अच्छा होता है. Ohm's law क्या होता है ना? It states that the current, you people can write it down. The current is directly proportional to the potential difference, or you can say to the voltage across the 2 ends of the conductor. Is very very important, my dear most students, right? 2 ends of the conductor, 2 ends of the conductor in a constant temperature, constant temperature. I am talking about it later on regarding temperature. You can say constant temperature, you can say constant pressure, you can say constant stress, you can say constant humidity, you can say constant fluidity, whatever you wanted to say, you can say a constant. That means what? Suppose for an example, it is known as a battery, right? Cell bolo, battery bolo, let me talk as a battery. Positive, current is flowing, right? Suppose it's a bulb. ओके, एंड सपोज यहां पर कुछ इस प्रकार का है, दैट इज सपोज फॉर एन एग्जांपल 5 वोल्ट. अगर 5 वोल्ट होता है तो 5 वोल्ट का करंट चमकेगा. दैट हियर वी अंडरस्टूड दैट इट स्टेट्स दैट करंट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वोल्टेज. current is known as I is directly proportional to the voltage here we understood that little bit earlier I said in case of Ohm's law current बढ़ेगा तो voltage बढ़ेगा. For an example, let me take a very good example, you people can more understand in case of details. तुम्हारे घर में जब होता है वोल्टेज नहीं रहता तो क्या बिजली जब होता है ना तुम्हारे घर में क्या होता है, इन केस ऑफ योर होम यू माइट हैव फेल्ट दैट अरे सपोज नाउ सी आई एम हैविंग अ लॉट्स ऑफ वोल्टेज इन दिस होम, दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन ग्लेज ओवर हियर, दिस व्हाइट बोर्ड इज ग्लेजिंग बिकॉज हियर इज हैविंग अ लॉट्स ऑफ वोल्टेज. वोल्टेज अगर ज्यादा रहेगा तो करंट ज्यादा रहेगा. एक एक घर में क्या वोल्टेज कम हो जाता है तो क्या होता है बल्ब धीरे धीरे ग्लो न करता है, राइट. बल्ब डजंट ग्लो a lot at a lot, you know, at a lots of time, you know, bulb doesn't glow a lot, right. अगर करंट कम होता है तो here we understood that करंट बढ़ा तो वोल्टेज बढ़ेगा, करंट कमेगा तो वोल्टेज कमेगा. प्रोपोर्शनल, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल मीन्स द करंट इज राइजिंग द वोल्टेज विल राइज. इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल मतलब उल्टा उल्टा होता है. आई विल बी टॉकिंग लिटिल बिट अहेड रिगार्डिंग इन रेजिस्टेंस में बात करेंगे. I is directly proportional to the voltage. I can directly write it down as a people. I equals to 1 upon R V. Now you might be saying, sir, why you have written equals to? See, my dear most children, it is known as proportional sign. When you will take it out the proportional sign, you have to put a constant. क्या लगता है constant ना equals to. You have to put a constant. Constant के जगह में कुछ constant लगाते हैं. That is 1 upon R. That is known as resistance, my dear most children. I equals to 1 upon R V. अब क्या करना है इसको ना, ये border पार चला जाएगा. This R will go near I. So IR equals to V. I can say this is the formula number 1. R stands for resistance. Is it clear, my dear most children? Resistance. Now you might be thinking, sir, पहले तो बुक में रेजिस्टेंस है, आप तो ओम्स लॉ का बात कर दे, तो मैं ओम्स लॉ से रेजिस्टेंस को लेकर आऊंगा. टेंशन ना लो, बिकॉज my tension is that I will bring the lecture and the way I should bring the lecture as you people can understand pretty well. So I can even say this in this way, R equals to V upon I, equation 2. आई बात समझ में, दैट इज I R equals to V, or else you can say R equals to V upon I, equation 2. That means this is the formula you have got. ये बहुत काम देगा when you will be doing in case of numericals. My dear most children, please note it down as soon as possible. I is directly proportional to V. I equals to 1 upon RB. I R equals to V. R निकला constant, V upon I. ये हो गया एक one. This is all about, you know what बेटा? Now this is one about your formula. Now R equals to V upon I. So R का क्या होता है ना, ऐसा यूनिट, दैट इज नॉन एज ओम. ओमेगा से रिप्रेजेंट करते तो ओम, दिस इज ना ओम, दैट इज इट इज नॉन एज ओम्स लॉ. सो द रेसिस्टेंस, द R इज नॉन एज रेजिस्टेंस. R is known as resistance, right? The SI unit of resistance is known as ohm, or else you can say that is directly as ohm. ठीक है? Now I will be talking about resistance. No, I won't talk about resistance. I will be talking something other. So I hope this the point number 1 of Ohm's law is completely thorough about you. I will be talking very important, my dear most children. अगर ये समझ में नहीं आएगा तो न्यूमेरिकल समझ में नहीं आएगा. न्यूमेरिकल भी हलवा लगाएंगे तुम्हें पक्का, right? And the way I will be letting you do over here is very important, and it generally comes in exam. जाओ क्वेश्चन पेपर देखो 2010 से 2020 तक कट कॉपी पेस्ट वाला क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. दैट मीन्स दिस क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट CISE ICSE बोर्ड फेवरेट क्वेश्चंस. दिस दैट मीन्स व्हाट, लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. sloping graph, right? This is all about a sloping graph. That means VI characteristics graph. Characteristics graph. That means current and potential difference or voltage graph. How to represent graph? क्वेश्चन दिया गया होगा, तुम्हें ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. दिस इज very important. Let me see my video is working. So this is the VI characteristics graph. You can say potential difference and current graph, you can say slope of graph, you can say VI graph, you can say whatever you can, and it is very important. As I said, and it question come in exam, right? What I can do, I can only say it's very important. आएगा आता तो है ही, आएगा I cannot do more than that. My dear student, you have to read that, you have to read, and maximum people that cannot understand this. बच्चे 90% बच्चे होते हैं ये वाला समझ में नहीं आता उन्हें. These people cannot understand this. Sir, what is the graph? And यहाँ से क्वेश्चन चमकता है. So let us understand. Before that, what did I say? I is directly proportional to the VI set. उसका मतलब ये होता है करंट जितना बढ़ेगा वोल्टेज उतना बढ़ेगा. अच्छा, let me assume this is known as y axis, this is known as x axis. ये होता है origin, पता तो होगा सबको, right? So as I said, current increases, voltage increases, current decreases, voltage decreases in case of Ohm's law. मगर यहाँ पर क्या होता है हमें पता है, that means see, for an example I am taking here for an example 2. Suppose this is known as voltage. Y axis को पकड़ लेते हैं voltage, x axis को पकड़ लेते हैं current. Let us assume it. Let us understand. 2, suppose 4, suppose 6. यहाँ पर करता 8, यहाँ पर करता हूँ 10. बात खत्म. देखो क्या होता है यहाँ पर, if I am taking 1 ampere of current, that means यहाँ पर potential difference is 2V. Now you might be saying, sir कैसे? हम बोल रहे हैं assume it, मानो, let's say. So 2 volt is known as 1 ampere. For an example, 2 ampere तो कितना वोल्ट होगा? 4 वोल्ट. 3 एम्पियर कितना होगा बेटा ना? 6 वोल्ट. 4 एम्पियर कितना होगा? 8 वोल्ट. 5 एम्पियर विल बी 10 वोल्ट. अच्छा, now I will be saying, now you have to plot a graph. You can directly plot a graph. 1 ampere, that means you can do in this way. यहाँ पर एक बिंदी लगा. 2 एम्पियर का करंट 4 वोल्ट, you can say in this way. एक बिंदी लगा यहाँ पर. Then अगर 3 एम्पियर करंट 6, then you can say that sir यहाँ पर एक बिंदी लगेगा. See, you people have to do in a scale. For an example, यहाँ पर ऐसे कुछ लगेगा, यहाँ पर ऐसे कुछ लगेगा. For an example I am talking. Now let me draw a line and it will be very straight. I don't have scale, that's why थोड़ा टेढ़ा बन रहा है, मगर do not take me otherwise. You people can do it. So let me take it a very straight. Is it understood? So here we concluded one thing, that in case of current, in case of potential difference or voltage, हमेशा ग्राफ सीधा बनेगा. हमेशा क्या बनेगा बेटा ना? सीधा बनेगा. Is it clear? Is it clear? This much you have understood. And if you are clearly understanding, please my dear most children, you have to loyal to me and you have to comment right there. Please कमेंट करना है, हमें भी पता चले कि तुम्हें अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, हमारा टीचिंग कैसा है, तुम्हें वहां पर भी कमेंट करना है, राइट? सो हियर वी कंक्लूडेड दैट इन केस ऑफ करंट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ग्राफ ऑलवेज बनता है ऐसे करके. इज इट क्लियर? अच्छा, नाउ सी वन थिंग आई एम गेटिंग फ्रॉम हियर. व्हाट? लेट अस draw this. Let me draw. One thing I am getting from here. Right? One thing I am getting from here, that is, oh shit. Okay. One thing I am getting from here, that is straight line. Another, see, it is यहाँ से evolution बनाते बच्चों, यहाँ पे evolution. Now I will be saying the question come in this way. करंट होगा, वोल्टेज होगा. देखो यहाँ पर बहुत important logic from here, that suppose I am having an evolution. यहाँ पे evolution बनाता हूँ, यहाँ पे evolution बनाते हैं. चलो एक evolution. Now I will be saying, and you have to remember always, in case of slope of voltage and current, it always remain. अगर मैं पूछूं what is the slope, if I ask slope of, if I ask my dear most children, to everyone, what is the slope of I and B? तुम बोलोगे सर it is tan theta. It is known as tan theta. It is known as tan theta. It is, you have to do this. You have to do this. Why? 11वीं 12वीं में. That means it is all about a tan theta. As you know very well, once again, very important, understand, as you know very well once again, that final v minus u, final position minus initial position. अच्छा, ये वाला जो है सपोज पकड़ते हैं, ए बी पकड़ लेता हूं, ए बी ये वाला है सी, यहां पर कुछ एंगल बनेगा एलिवेशन, एलिवेशन, हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस यू पीपल विल बी डूइंग. एज यू नो इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यू हैव डन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री तो आता होगा सबको. इसका परपेंडिकुलर, इसका क्या होता है परपेंडिकुलर, इसका परपेंडिकुलर क्या होगा, ये हो जाएगा P, ये हो जाएगा B, ये हो जाएगा H. Am I right? Hypotenuse, yes. Now see, if I ask you AB, so AB अगर मैं पूछूं AB कितना होगा, बता पाओगे? बता पाओगे कैसे? If I ask you what is the AB, see this AB isn't it lying on y axis? ये AB y axis को लाई नहीं करता क्या? ये ए बी वाई एक्सिस को लाई नहीं करता क्या? करता है सर, करता है ना सर, करता है. सपोज दिस ए बी, आई एम डूइंग दिस, सपोज ये वाला छोड़ो, ये वाला करता हूं, तुम और अच्छे से आएगा, पता चल रहा है. ए बी, ओके. नाउ आई विल से दिस ए बी इज लाइंग टू दिस वाई एक्सिस. यस सर. वाई एक्सिस में अगर लाई करता है, ऐसा ऐसा, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, व्हाट इज द फाइनल पोजीशन? सर फाइनल पोजीशन इज 10. व्हाट इज द इनिशियल पोजीशन? सर इनिशियल पोजीशन देखो, यहां पर देखो ग्राफ हो रहा है 2, तो मैं यहां पर कर सकता हूं. व्हाट इज द tan थीटा? tan थीटा इज नोन एज P अपॉन B. सर कैन आई राइट इट डाउन इज P अपॉन B. अगर P, इसका P क्या होता ना, ये बना बेटा P. P में क्या होता ना, P में देखो वोल्टेज के सीधा में है, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, 10 is the final, you can see the graph 10, initial is 2 minus 2. very important logic, question बनता है इसमें से. B, so what will be the B my dear student? Can you see B? if this is the B, you know, so it is coming in which x axis? x axis में क्या है बेटा, I है, करंट है, तो कैन आई डू इन दिस वे, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, फाइनल क्या बेटा ना 5 है, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल इज 1. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? चलो कुछ करते हैं यहां पर. 10 2 घटा 8 बाई 5 और 1 घटेगा 4. इसको अगर काट दो, बना दो, ये व्हाट इज द 2? ये 2 क्या है? व्हाट इज द 2? व्हाट 2 इज? आई विल से लेटर ऑन. सो P by B, P is lying on y axis, P is lying on y axis. अगर y axis में क्या बेटा ना, यह वोल्ट है, तो मैं वोल्ट लिख सकता हूं डिवाइडेड बाय, ये x axis में क्या है बच्चों ना, I है, I है, लिख सकता हूं. लिटिल बिट अर्लियर आई सेड दैट, यहां से लिटिल बिट अर्लियर आई सेड माय डियर मोस्ट चिल्ड्रन दैट I is directly proportional to B, so I can say in this way upon I equals to R. so see V upon I मिल गया, तो अभी क्या मिला, R. it is known as resistance. resistance is 2 ohm. is it clear to everyone? so this is very important topic. question ऐसा आएगा कैसे, तो question will be coming, question will be coming in this way that P is given this much, B is given this much, to slope a graph you have to draw a graph also. graph ऐसे करके निकालोगे, कराऊंगा न्यूमेरिकल, don't worry, but this is the very most important. if you people cannot understand again and again, my dear people, I request you again, rewind it and watch. very important logic. I hope this is a very tremendous session you have understood. now let me talk about resistance. lecture लंबा होने वाला है, okay, the lecture will be a little bit lengthy, but I hope you people can cooperate it. lecture will be a little bit lengthy, right? now I will be talking about resistance. resistance is very important. now you might be thinking, sir, what is a resistance? resistance is obstruction of the flow of current. obstruction of the flow of current, थोड़ा सा of the flow of current. that means क्या ना, रुकावट, रुकावट, what ना, रुकावट, रुकावट, obstruction of flow of current, रुकावट. that means what, suppose this is a conductor, right? this is a conductor. when the charges is flowing from A to B, suppose A B, when the charges is flowing from A to B, बीच में रुकावट होता है. क्या होता है, सपोज देर इज हैविंग अ वायर, सपोज दिस इज अ डस्टर, एज्यूम इट इज अ वायर, फ्रॉम वायर एंड इन बिटवीन द वायर में बहुत सारा रुकावट होता है. विच काइंड ऑफ रुकावट? लोड्स ऑफ एटम्स आर देयर, लोड्स ऑफ एटम्स आर देयर इन विच charges need to fight with the atom to go from one place to another. बहुत झगड़ा करना पड़ता है. The way, another example, we are riding bikes, we are riding what? Cars, we are riding साइकिल. when we are going, रास्ते में बहुत सारा क्या होता है, ट्रैफिक होता है, हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, we have to fight with them and we have to go from one place to another. In the same way, what na resistance? रुकावट. Resistance is the rukavat. We suppose we are electrons, when we are going from one place to another, we have to fight with the traffics and go. Similarly, resistance is the traffic in case of conductor. Is it clear? That means बहुत सारा रुकावट होता है. Many nucleus, many atoms we have to fight. There are what na charges. Flow of current is, flow of charge is known as current, right? फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज, चार्ज जो होता है, चार्ज पार्टिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन्स ऑलवेज फ्लोस, राइट? रिमेंबर दिस आल्सो. व्हेन इट गोस ना, इट फाइट विथ ऑल द एटम्स एंड मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट is known as resistance. Is it clear? Acha. As I said very well, SI unit of resistance. Ohm, I talk about Ohm's law, many more. The resistance is clear to you. Is it clear, my dear most children? And after resistance, it comes, that is slope of graph. Okay, graph वाला भी हम तुम्हें बता दिए हैं. Now, the most important which I left to say, that is it factors of resistance. Now I will be talking about factors of resistance. Now what is the factors of resistance? Very interesting, and it is also one of the most important factors of resistance. Factors of resistance. What are the factors of resistance? Factors of resistance. It is there in the book, factors of resistance. I am not leaving anything, my dear most children. Nothing I am leaving. Everything I will be saying. Factor of resistance, that is bit 1 is known as length of the conductor. Very important क्वेश्चन आता है. व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस? 4 प्रकार 5 प्रकार का फैक्टर होता है. तुम्हें 4 प्रकार का पढ़ाना, 1 प्रकार का 12वीं में पढ़ोगे. तो फैक्टर्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर. लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इट? Length of the conductor. See, I am having a wire, a conductor this much big. यहां से यहां तक कंडक्टर होता है, right? Now you people say me, यहां पर इस प्रकार का. Now you people say me A, B, C, D. You have to comment right there. The way you people comment, I love that very well. Thank you very much for commenting there. Now you people say me, in which A or B or C or D current will move faster and will reach the destination point. किस में से जल्दी करंट पहुंचेगा? ये वाला कंडक्टर में, फर्स्ट कंडक्टर और सेकंड कंडक्टर? ऑब्वियसली सेकंड कंडक्टर. ऑब्वियसली सेकंड कंडक्टर. Why? The current will reach from one end to the another end faster in second conductor because length छोटा है. लेंथ क्या है बेटा? छोटा है. यहां पर लेंथ बड़ा है. So here we understood that, देखो यहां पर भी तो रेजिस्टेंस होता है कि नहीं, रुकावट होता है कि नहीं, मगर the current always flows faster in small small length of a wire, that is known as R is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. That means length. देखो, let us assume a सड़क, a road. Let me assume a very good road, right? अच्छा, लंबा रास्ता, पतला रास्ता, लंबा रास्ता, पतला रास्ता. आई एम गोइंग लंबा रास्ता, पतला, बहुत दूर जाना है मुझे. आई विल बी टेकिंग लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम टू रीच फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. मगर वही लंबा रास्ता, बट आई हैव टू गो विथ स्मॉल, वही लंबा रास्ता मगर मुझे कम डिस्टेंस जाना है. तो आई विल बी रीचिंग द कम डिस्टेंस इन वेरी वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. बहुत कम समय में वहां पर पहुंच जाऊंगा. That is known as that. Here we understood that resistance बढ़ेगा, length बढ़ेगा, resistance कमेगा, length कमेगा. That is R is proportional to L. Is it clear? That means this is very important logic. Logic number 2, area of cross section. Area of cross section. Area of cross section means my dear most children, area of cross section of a area of cross section बोल सकते हो, और you can say thickness, thickness you can say thickness of the conductor, thickness of the conductor. See, it is also one of the important. So where to where I will be bringing, you cannot understand till yet, and after this what you taught. Thickness of the conductor. Thickness of the conductor means my dear most children, in this way, thickness, मोटाई, ये मोटाई किसका, मोटाई, that means मोटापन of wire, मोटापन of wire. What is the motapan of wire? Suppose I am having this conductor, I am having this conductor. Suppose mota. Obviously, another road. Let me take a road example. I am having a choda rasta. I am going in NH, National Highway, and I am going in my village street. So, in which way I can ride very smoothly? You say me. Obviously, in NH, in National Highway, I can ride very smooth bike. I can ride my bike in very smooth way if I will be riding in NH road. But if I will be riding the same bike in my street, village street, in a street road, can I ride in a smooth way? No. That means here we concluded that R is inversely proportional to the area of the conductor. मतलब जितना रेजिस्टेंस होगा एरिया उतना कम होगा. Street way, I am going in a street way, and in the street way area, narrow way, I can say narrow way. I am going in my narrow road मतलब patla road, and what, a lots of resistance will be there. Patla road, let us understand, this is a patla road, a lots of resistance will be there. रुकावट बहुत होने वाला है मुझे बीच में, right? I can speed breaker will be there, cycle wala will be there, man will be there, trolley wala will be there if I will be going in the narrow way. If I will be going in the NH, I don't find anything, I won't find anything, I will be going in a very good speed, right? That is known as the, अगर resistance बढ़ा area कमेगा, resistance कमेगा area बढ़ेगा. So can I, so let me just this. So did I understand? So it is known as equation 1. It is known as equation 2, that is R is inversely proportional to the area of a cross section. If you people will understand, not a single mark you're gonna cut it, because this time is subjective. You have to write yourself. That means you have to club this, club it. You have to club it. Club का मतलब mix करो. R का R रहा proportional to L by A. L by is known as what, my dear children? R is proportional to L by A, length of the conductor divided by A, club करने से. So R is equals to inversely, so proportional sign is there. I have to switch it on in case of constant. I have to put equals to. बता चुका हूँ बार बार. equals to में क्या लगेगा ना, रो लगेगा. क्या लगेगा ना, रो लगेगा. This is known as रो sign. You can say in this way, or also you can say P जैसे करके ऐसे कर लेना. This is known as rho sign. Okay, rho. What is a rho? बताऊंगा. Don't worry. Rho is known as L by A. This is known as rho. RHO. This is known as rho L by A. Is it clear? So two points are very important. Third point I am saying. What is the rho? Don't forget. It is also very important. The third point is material of the conductor. मटेरियल मतलब मटेरियल ऑफ द कंडक्टर, किस चीज से वायर बना है, इट इज अ प्लास्टिक में करंट जा सकता है. मैं जितना, हाउ लेंथ आई विल बी टेकिंग द कंडक्टर, हाउ एरिया आई विल बी टेकिंग द कंडक्टर. अगर मटेरियल सही ना हो तो करंट कैसे फ्लो करेगा. सपोज प्लास्टिक, how लंबा प्लास्टिक will be doesn't matter. If it will be an insulator, can the current flow? No. So material is very important. किस material से बना हुआ, that is known as rho. बात करूंगा उसमें. R is known as rho L by A. Rho is known as resistivity. That means it is resistivity. Right? Now my homework to you, the way you answer, my dear most children, I like that. Resistivity, the SI unit of resistivity you have to comment rather. What is the SI unit of resistivity? बताऊंगा बाद में SI unit भी क्या होता है. So if the question will come in this way in your exam, what are the factors of resistance? People can directly say the factor of resistance is length of the conductor, area of the conductor, material of the conductor. Material of the conductor किस चीज से बना उसे होता है resistivity. Difference between resistance resistivity बताऊंगा, don't worry. What is the SI unit of resistivity? See, what is the resistance SI unit? Ohm equals to rho. L क्या होता है? So this ohm, sorry, see what R A by L equals to rho, my dear children. Am I right? Yes. ये A चला गया ना उस तरफ. R का मतलब क्या होता है? ओम. R का मतलब ओम. एरिया SI यूनिट मीटर स्क्वायर इंटू मीटर स्क्वायर बाई लेंथ का SI यूनिट मीटर. सो मीटर गॉट कैंसल्ड. सो रेजिस्टिविटी का SI यूनिट इज ओम मीटर. रेजिस्टिविटी इज नॉन एज रो ओम मीटर. करंट को लिखते हैं I, देन उसका SI यूनिट एम्पियर. रेजिस्टिविटी लिखते हैं रो, उसका SI यूनिट ओम मीटर. रेजिस्टेंस R, SI unit ohm. Is it clear? That means what is the resistivity? Resistivity always depends on the material of the conductor. Resistivity हमेशा material से, कौन सा material से बना है. रो अलग अलग होता है, रो का वैल्यू अलग होता है, वो भी बताऊंगा बाद में, राइट. एंड इट ऑलवेज मूव्स ऑन कांस्टेंट प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर. कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर हमेशा कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए कि होता है. टेम्परेचर ऑलवेज रिमेन कांस्टेंट. दिस आर द 4 पॉइंट्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट विल कम इन एग्जाम. 2 मार्क का 1 मार्क का चिपकता है. यू पीपल कैन राइट इट डाउन. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड बिटवीन रेजिस्टेंस एंड रेजिस्टिविटी. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई होप यू हैव नोट इट डाउन. रेजिस्टेंस एंड रेजिस्टिविटी. What is resistance and resistivity? And I know you people gonna rock it out this time, and I am with you, and my important questions are with you, and my important fundamentals, logic, each and everything is with you. My lecture will be lengthy. I hope it is lengthy. I don't bother about the lengthy, but this much I know very well that you people gonna rock it out. Resistance, resistivity is very important, huh? Resistance, resistivity. What do you mean by resistance? Obstruction of flow of current. Please make a note. Obstruction of flow of current. Making a note is very important. Obstruction of flow of charge, flow of current. You can do whatever you can. What is resistivity? किस material से बना है? Depends on materials. It depends on materials. That means what? Which kind of material it depends? Which is good conductor of electricity. For an example, aluminum, silver, right? And what more? Copper. This and this, nichrome wire, tungsten wire is made of filament. बताऊंगा वो सब. That will be talking a lot. Depends on material. Another SI unit. What is the SI unit? Now SI unit ohm. SI unit ohm meter. SI unit ohm meter. Right? So resistance depend on resistivity. Very important. Resistance, 1 मार्क का चमक जाएगा MCQ. Resistance depend on dash. Resistivity, length of the conductor. This time, now semi. Very important homework to you. Resistance depend on dash. Length of the wire, area of the wire, material of the wire. None of this. Answer बताओ मुझे जल्दी. I repeat the question once again. Resistance always depend on dash. Length of the wire, area of the wire, material of the wire. None of this. Answer मुझे comment में चाहिए. Okay. Answer मुझे comment में चाहिए. Depends on material. SI unit is ohm meter. Is it clear? Resistance always depend on resistivity. किस अरे if suppose for an example, if there is having a plastic, can the current flow? No. But if there will be having किस material, अच्छा material से बना होगा, अगर silver से बना होगा तो it is known as resistivity. I hope concept is pretty clear to you, my dearmost people. Okay. Now the last stage of the lecture, which is none other than that is known as ohmic resistors. Let me have a ohmic resistors, non-ohmic resistor, which is there in the book. What is ohmic resistor? Everything ohmic resistor, non-ohmic resistors बता चुका हूँ. Very easy. Differentiate. Ohmic resistor means which depends. That means V upon I equals to constant. That is known as ohmic resistor. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओमिक रजिस्टर कांस्टेंट होता है उनका। व्हाट इज ओमिक रजिस्टर बता देता हूं। ओमिक रजिस्टर V upon I is constant and the graph always lie, that is the V and I का ग्राफ हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है, मतलब ऐसे होता है कुछ इस प्रकार का। I said before. And what more, my dearest children, the slope of VI graph and the given temperature, it is constant. The slope of the VI graph at same values, हमेशा वैल्यू सेम होता है। यहाँ पर 2, यहाँ पर 1, यहाँ पर अगर यहाँ पर 20 होगा तो यहाँ पर 1 भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पर 2 का यहाँ पर 40, ऐसा कुछ सेम होता है। That is ohmic resistor. And what more, it always depend on conductors. Which kind of conductor? The conductor which can pass flow of current conductor, silver, copper, nickel wire, tungsten wire, what more, aluminum, these are the things. Non-ohmic, vice versa, opposite. Okay, very important to the last stage of the lecture, that is choice of the material wire. Very important, very important. Once again I am saying क्वेश्चन विल कम इन दिस वे, इट कम्स, यू कैन चेक इन द 2019-2018 में देखो, बहुत ईयर क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है ऐसे करके। द क्वेश्चन इज विच काइंड ऑफ वायर इज गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? विच काइंड ऑफ वायर इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? सिल्वर इज द गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल ऑप्शन दिया गया, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा, the conductor which is name the good conductor of electricity, name the wire which is good conductor of electricity, silver, copper, aluminium, nichrome wire। आंसर होगा सिल्वर। क्यों बेटा? सिल्वर जो होता है, that doesn't mean silver, very important, interesting, silver, copper, what more I said, aluminium, with a note out there 3 are the good conductor of electricity, silver the most क्योंकि उसका resistivity बहुत कम होता है comparison to this and this। copper is a conductor, why? because it has low resistance, it has low, मतलब रुकावट कम होता है। copper is a wire, इनमें से रुकावट कम होता है। अगर प्लास्टिक का वायर बनेगा फ्लो नहीं करेगा, राइट? बिकॉज वहां पर देयर इज हैविंग अ लॉट्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, दैट्स द रीजन प्लास्टिक में करंट फ्लो नहीं करता, बिकॉज यहाँ पर बहुत सारा रेजिस्टेंस होता है। मगर करंट कैन फ्लो बिकॉज देयर इज हैविंग अ लो रेजिस्टेंस। इन केस होता, ये मत बोलना नो रेजिस्टेंस, एनो ना, लो रेजिस्टेंस। रेजिस्टेंस सबको में होता है। कॉपर हैज लो रेजिस्टेंस, एल्युमिनियम हैज लो रेजिस्टेंस, मगर सिल्वर हैज less resistance comparison to aluminum and copper. Very important question for the board examination, very important question। CBSE ICSE ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। So silver is the conductor, silver is the good conductor of electricity and silver has a less resistance comparison to copper and aluminum. Is it clear? Yes sir। All right, so another resistance wire is also known as standard wire। resistance wire is also known as standard wire। resistance wire किसे बोलते हैं? very important, resistance wire किसे बोलते हैं? resistance wire is also known as standard wire। resistance wire are generally made up of alloys, semiconductors, alloys। कौन सा alloy में बनता है? that is manganese, tungsten and etc। वहां पर specific resistance high होता है and the temperature changes, टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है, स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस हाई होता है। अच्छा, देन फिलामेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, इंपॉर्टेंट। नेम द वायर, द कंडक्टर इज सुटेबल फॉर मेकिंग द फिलामेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब। बिट 1 ऑप्शन एल्यूमिनियम, बिट 2 ऑप्शन निक्रोम वायर, बिट 3 ऑप्शन टंगस्टन वायर, बिट 4 ऑप्शन silver wire। the answer is tungsten wire। tungsten wire is used because it has high melting point and it is the filament of the electric bulb। electric bulb का जो filament होता है ना छोटा छोटा, it is all about made up of tungsten wire। important question। and many more, you have seen oven in your home, you have seen toasters, you have seen electric iron, you have seen many more। उसका जो लंबा वायर, the wire is made up of nichrome wire। important, which kind of wire is made up of? nichrome wire। why it is nichrome wire, why it is not silver wire? nichrome wire क्यों है? बुक में दिया गया, it is a specific because resistance increase a great extent। एंड द इंक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर। क्यों ना, वहां पे क्या होता है, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो जाता है। बहुत सारा बात 12वीं में पढ़ोगे। एंड फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर I think I have talked loads of important questions for the board examination, loads of concept, everything I've talked in details. I have talked everything in details in case of current. I have talked everything details in case of, potential difference. I have talked everything important in case of characteristics of graph, slope of graph, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, types of conductors, superconductors, many more I have talked, and try to make the notes by your own. And if you people have followed the lecture, if you read only one time of your textbook, if you are following conscience together with others, not a single Michael can reduce your mark. Not a single anyone can reduce your mark. Signing off for the today. Coming stronger in the next session. Please keep reading and watch the lecture thoroughly. Read the topic for one time. Mark क्या उसका बाप भी आके तुम्हारे पास पहुंचेगा. Yes, it will definitely. Thank you very much, and keep loving, keep supporting the same. And I will be coming. And yes, the link has been given in the description box. Little bit important question of the. I have shared this question before in Telegram. If you are a new user, you can go and check the important questions of the lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. And I will be sharing more important questions in the Telegram, in my WhatsApp group also. If and you people can join over there, and if not, and I will be also providing a lots of important questions in the description box of YouTube. Signing off for the today. Keep loving me, keep cherishing yourself.